Hello and welcome to the Midas Oracle Sales Cloud integration demo. In this demo, we showcase three use cases: creating a customer account in Oracle Sales Cloud from the backend, pushing order details from Oracle Sales Cloud into the database, and finally, updating the order status back in Oracle Sales Cloud in real time. Use case 1. Creating a customer account in Oracle Sales Cloud from the backend. First, we log into Oracle Sales Cloud, then we click on the Navigator link and then click on Customers. Here you will see a list of existing customers. Click on Botree-US to view full details of a sample customer profile. Here is a sample account in the database that needs to be pushed into Oracle Sales Cloud. Take a look at Botree-IN, an account where the value in the isProcessed column is 0. This is an example of an account that is typically pushed into Oracle. This screen shows the Midas configuration. MySQL is the source data source and Oracle Sales Cloud here is the target data source. Midas WS Connector create location is the Oracle Web Service instance that is used to fetch the location ID. Midas WS Connector Find Sales Party is another web service that is used to fetch account director ID. Both these values will be passed through the Midas WS Connector Create Sales Party to create a customer account in Oracle Sales Cloud. You may click on Run button on the top left corner to push data from the database into Oracle. You can view the execution results in the panel below. After successful execution of the Midas transformation, the flag value is updated to 1. You can see this change below. Let's go back to the Customers page in Oracle to view our updates. You will see Botree-IN is the new account that was just created in Oracle. In our second use case, we will demonstrate the Create Order transformation that fetches order header details and line items from Oracle Sales Cloud into the database. We log into Oracle and click on the Navigator link. Then we click on the Opportunities link to view all existing opportunities in the system. As an example, let's select Test Op 2. In this opportunity, you will see that the order status is closed won and the order number is null. Now, click on the Insert Order in Midas button to push order details into the database. Please note that the new order number is 3. Now you may save the record. Now let's update the order status from closed won to fully completed in the database. To fetch this value in Oracle Sales Cloud, let's get back into Oracle. Click on Get Order Status button in the Edit Opportunity page. You will see that the order status has been automatically updated to fully completed. Now you may save the record. Thank you for viewing the Midas Oracle Sales Cloud integration demo. For questions, please email us at business@botree.com.